Imagine a world. A world where the surface of the ocean becomes a border. A place of regulation, consent, and territorial lines, just like the boundaries we draw between nations. A place where entering the sea means asking for permission, not from coast guards, but from the water and its inhabitants. Imagine a world where anti-LGBT+ views run so deep they don't just target queer humans, but spill over into the animal kingdom, where fox hunting for the elite transforms into seahorse hunting, a dystopian kind of queer pest control. Can you imagine a world where karma is a visible metric? A public score that governs your access and your worth? Or where blood plasma becomes a currency? Or where every connection between humans and non-humans alike is filtered through the stars of a mandatory birth chart? These visions aren't prophecies, but provocations, and they come out of our experimental pedagogy from superFUTURES, a research-led, speculative spatial design platform at the Royal College of Art. We operate at the edge of design, planning, policy, and storytelling. A place where spatial designers don't just draw buildings, they draw futures.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Blue.
We reimagine society and its rituals, embodying the characters we design for and with. One of our current explorations is called Nature's Depot, a research-led futures project in collaboration with DEFRA, the UK's Department for the Environment, Food and Rural Affairs. Here our students trace the landscapes of supply chains, real ones, before rewriting their timelines. Asking what happens when policy changes, when nature and trade continue to collide, and when film becomes the medium of speculation. The results are more than just films, they're tools, accessible, emotional, spatial tools that invite public engagement and shape new design dialogues. Through speculative sets, imagined policies, performative design, our students question the rigidity of traditional representation, education, and imagination. Design isn't a fixed and measurable science, not a plan or a section, but a plurality, or a plurality of pluralities. superFUTURES doesn't promise utopias, but it offers many futures. We are rehearsing the not yet, so that we might make more thoughtful decisions about the spaces we share and the worlds we are yet to build. Layered, conflicting, coexisting.